Hello friends, welcome to PHP tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about the operators in PHP. So far we have used assignment operator to assign any value to the variable, and we have used plus operator for addition. Here we have list of some arithmetic operator. This is addition operator x plus y. This is subtraction operator x minus y. This is multiplication operator. Then division operator. Then modulus operator. Then negative operator. Then we have used concatenation operator. It is same as we have used in string functions. Then assignment operator. The basic assignment operator in PHP is this is equal to sign. It means that the left operand gets set to the value of the expression on the right. This is the simple assignment operator. Here y is assigned to variable x. This is some shorthand operator. Here x plus is equal to y, it means x is equal to x plus y. Same way, x is equal to x minus y. X is equal to x multiplication with y. Then same way with division. Then remainder and concatenation. Then we have incremental and decremental operator. We can use 2 times plus operator before the variable for pre-increment. If we want to use post-increment, then we can write 2 times plus operator after the variable name. Same way with decrement operator. We can use 2 times minus operator. Then comparison operator. Comparison operator allows you to compare two values. 2 times is equal to signature is used to check whether the x is same as y. Here this is identical. This is true if x is equal to y and they are of same type. Here x not equal to y. Same way, this is greater than, this is for less than, this is for greater than equal to operator, and this is less than is equal to operator. Then we have other logical operator also. We can use this operator mainly in our control statement like x and y, x or y, XOR, double ampersand for AND, and many other operators. Let's see the example of PHP operator. Here 5 value is assigned to variable A and 10 value is assigned to variable B. And then I have written the operators and then addition of these two, subtraction of these two, multiplication of A and B, division of A and B, then remainder, then incremental and then decremental process. Here I have used concatenation to join string with value, means number, and then string. Let's see the output. So this is the output of our script.